Organisations should be interested in integrating mobile applications to maintain their relationship with their target market. Google, for example, now consider themselves as a mobile-first company, predicting that by the end of 2013, the majority of their users will access Google via a mobile device. Secondly is to boost productivity. Most businesses, successful businesses, now realise the need for flexible working patterns, and this has seen an increase in the number of mobile devices in the business communities. And thirdly is to increase revenues. For example, eBay reported a 15% increase in their revenues last year, stating that 1.8 million users made their first eBay purchases via a mobile device in the first 9 months of 2012. The main challenges that organisations face in integrating mobile applications are firstly to define a strategy. So that needs to outline what problems the application is going to solve, who the intended users are, and how they're going to use the application. The second thing is to build the right product. So this is very much based on the strategy. How does it achieve the strategy that you've written? And thirdly is the testing of the product. So even with a sound strategy and the product that fits that strategy, if the end product is full of bugs and it's crashing all the time or it runs slow, then nobody's going to want to use it. So quality is really the key. Main challenges of testing mobile applications are firstly replicating the target environment. So there's a lot of devices which are all running different platforms, different screen sizes, different resolutions. There's the mobility aspect, so users can be based anywhere, you've got different network conditions, and there's the security of their data. And also the usage of the device that the application is running on. So in the case of a smartphone, they might be interrupted whilst using the application by a phone call. Secondly is the amount of test scenarios that are required to cover this amount of variables, and this has a squeeze on the quality, time and cost paradigm. And the last thing is the impact of failure. So they used to say that if a person had a bad experience, they would tell 10 people. In the world of social media, I wonder how many people they'll tell now. Organisations can overcome these challenges by doing beta testing, so they can release a trial or light version of that application to real-world users, or better still, they can use crowdsourced testing to tap into the users that are within the testing community. They can use emulation software to emulate their target environments, and this can be combined with automation tools to increase the amount of coverage that they can achieve without significantly increasing the time it takes to test. And finally, they can employ expert testers with experience in testing mobile applications to improve risk management.